All right, let's move on to the next in-person shopping concern. The lighting in dressing rooms are terrible, and I feel unflattered. Baby, don't I know a little bit of something about this? I've definitely taken a couple of courses at Fashion Institute of Technology, New York, FIT, pertaining to visual merchandising and store displays and just interning as well as working at different locations, not just locations in the same area, but different parts of the world, East and West Coast, and also Texas and Florida. But a lot of people do not consider the lights. They are more emphasized on other areas of the store. I'm kind of giving you guys the inside scoop. But a lot of people who design the stores, depending on the store's budget, I'm speaking as far as chains as well as boutiques, and also pop-ups as well. But a lot of people do not consider the lighting or the fitting room. Is very much so last on the list. Well, hey girl, I know you enjoyed that content, but baby, you need a MIIEN pass. Yes. And what you could do with that MIIEN pass is get exclusive content, whether it's insights, Q&A, specifically for my community on the MIIEN virtual consultancy, or just content specifically for this group, Q&A backstage, and just so much more. I know you enjoyed it, so just come along with a group full of people who care about looking good, all right? I'll see you on the flip side, all right?